journey starts from the moment you think about having a baby. It's not even conception, it's just your thought. Yeah, someday I want to have a child. That itself, your journey starts. And it's, for me, as I think, it doesn't have any age, it doesn't have any time limit. Your journey continues till you are alive, and also sometimes continues even after you are not here, because what you've inculcated in your children, what you've given back to your children. So this is a limitless and endless journey. But having said that, it comes in phases. How you deal with your children, how will you handle your children as a child, as a toddler, as a teenager, as an adult, as an old age person, it's totally different. How you look at them, how you perceive them, how you communicate with them, everything is very, very different. So, as a child, it's very important to have open conversations. As a child, you need to understand what the child's needs are. And as a mother and father, you also need to understand your relationship also plays an important role in the journey of parenting. So it comes in phases. It comes with every phase has its own requirements. And understand that parenting a toddler is very, very different from parenting a teenager, is very, very different from how you look at somebody as an adult in their 20s and 30s. Definitely a very, very different perspective. So understanding that dynamics, that's change in the dynamics, is very important.